Don Childry, general contractor, and my specialty now is replacing crumbling foundations. There was a quarry in Wellington that used pyrrhotite that's in their gravel, it's on the state geological map. That mixed with cement, there's a chemical reaction which expands inside the concrete and actually makes the concrete grow and grow and grow, and starts to push your house up. Starts to come off the lolly columns, and eventually it starts to collapse. It started in, I'd say 1982, 1983. As recently as 2013, we've seen some problems with that. So there's a significant amount of years that this concrete was poured. But when you have horizontal cracking, that is not normal. That is related to the pyrrhotite in the concrete. You're probably looking at 20 years before you may see it, some earlier, some later than that. Okay, so you know, it's hard to tell if you have it, because a foundation that looks good today in another 5 years could start to crack. They need to get an engineer, get an engineer's report, you know, to see if they have the problem. Then from there they can, you know, get their taxes lowered. The only way to fix this is foundation replacement, to completely remove the foundation, floors, walls, footings, lolly columns, all the concrete has to come out. Well, the first day we come in, we pull out your shrubs, pull out your steps, cut the driveway back, grade the yard down, and just get everything prepped around the house down to the height so that we're ready to lift the house. The next step would be to go inside and pull your furnace out, hot water, plumbing, HVAC, ductwork, whatever's necessary has to come out inside the basement. The decks, sunrooms, all that can be lifted with the house. Just the basement and the garage have to be clear. The house, all the furniture can stay in the house. Jackhammer pockets in the wall, and then slide steel beams in, build wood cribbing in the basement, and then it's hydraulically jacked. Within 2 to 3 days, we'll have the foundation completely removed. So we form and pour the foundation walls with pockets in it. We waterproof the foundation, we put drainage in, we put stone down under the floor. We then backfill and compact, and then we lower the house back down onto the foundation. This process, you're probably looking somewhere between 2 and 3 weeks to get to that point. From there, they come and take all the beams out, all right, and then we fill the pockets, we backfill everything inside, we pour the floors, we then put all the utilities back in, we hook the plumbing back up, we hook the furnace back up. We'll get you back into your house within 2 months. We've been averaging somewhere around 6 weeks to get you back into the house. Obviously the landscaping and the grounds outside may not be done, but you can live there and the utilities would be hooked up. I also have housing. I have a house that I purchased that I let people stay in while I'm doing this job. Some insurance companies have settled, only if you have an attorney, but right now there's no relief. When I'm done, your house is sellable.